I spoke to Champ Bailey this morning, another Pro Hall of Famer, Denver Bronco great, and I asked him what he thought about you. He said with his size potential, the rookie campaign that he put together, he definitely has Hall of Fame potential. Those are big words coming from a Hall of Famer that knows the game inside out, so you're on the right track.
Defense Player of the Year, Pat Surtain, TJ Watt, Trey Henderson. I'm taking Pat, but who you got?
Pat Surtain. He been the best corner in his league this year. I feel like he made a lot of plays, so I feel like he deserves it.
I say, man, honestly, I put the work in. Defense Player of the Year, that's a very prestigious award. We need to change the narrative a little bit, man. We need to put some more respect on cornerbacks. We have the toughest position in football, day in and day out. I mean, so why not change it up a bit? That'd be pretty exciting.
I like that. Everybody falls in love with sacks, but you guys are important too. Your help facilitates the sacks.
Shout out to edge rushers, but cornerbacks should get some love as well, too.
Wow. Ooh. The 2024 AP Defensive Player of the Year presented by TCL is Patrick Surtain III.
Wow. First and foremost, I want to give all the praise to my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. I mean, without him, I wouldn't be in this position, first off. Secondly, I'd like to thank my family, mom, pops, for setting the blueprint, turning a young man to a grown man. I want to thank y'all. I'd also like to thank the Broncos organization for believing in me, for trusting in me, for allowing me to grow and being the player that I am today. And lastly, I'd like to thank my teammates for, helping me reach my full potential and being the best person I could be, man. So thank y'all. Have a blessed one.
To the left side of the defense, already one sack. He had 8.5 last year.
Yeah.
Again on 3rd and 6, Gino puts him there under his ears out of the field.
I was bad in fucking school, now I'm tryna dodge a semen. Just walked out the lavish store, pair of shoes, $12.50. You wanna boss up your life? All you gotta do is get in with me. I don't even pay to get in the club, they know I'm a walking tick. I'm presidential leaving the club, we ain't stopping at no lights. You wanna be a boss? You gotta pay the price. Little wrist on frost, look like a bag of ice. I'm driving a Bentley Bentayga like I don't love my life. I'm in that thing shifting, and I'm lane switching. Bitches big Zama, stand on straight business. Ducking on niggas' ass like Blake Griffin. He keep talking, bro, gon' leave his face missing.
This is just a mistake.
Baby, these all white. These ain't no Hirachi.
Don't do
Bad
that.
bitch, 50 flow.
And here comes the block. Watch Minshew right
I
there.
got
Look at
10
the
missed
block.
calls.
Boom,
All my
pancake.
bitches mad at me.
That's
Valet
just
Park
a
Designer
great
District.
job, a
I'm going
great
straight to
effort.
gallery. Jugs feeding y'all.
Ellis,
Phone
outstanding.
ringing y'all. Niggas hating y'all. Jury blinging y'all. Jugs feeding
You've got
y'all.
to move quickly
Phone ringing y'all.
on this drive, but
Niggas
put
hating y'all.
something that builds a little
Jury
bit of confidence
blinging y'all.
into this offense
I
is
was bad in
struggling
fucking
mightily.
school. Now I'm tryna dodge a sin. Just walked out the lavish store, pair of shoes, $12.50. You wanna boss up your life? All you gotta do is get in with me. I don't even pay to get in the club. They know I'm a walking tick. I'm presidential leaving the club. We ain't stopping at no lights. You wanna be a boss? You gotta pay the price. Left wrist on frost, look like a bag of ice. I'm driving a Bentley Bentayga like I don't love my life.
To beat number 2 to a deflection in the middle of the field.
He batted it to himself for his second pick of the afternoon. And
Tremble the tight end in. 4th down and 2. Young throws it on an option type play. Sanders cannot get there. Pat Surtain cuts it off, the all-pro corner. And they take over in great field position. 1 second, Young wants it, gets it. Pocket clean, throws behind the receiver and picks. Intercepted by Pat Surtain. And his return to the lineup after missing last week. Gets another interception, his 3rd this season. The nightmares continue for Carolina.
Duel the back, second and goal. Take off, cause I know these niggas ain't gon' hand that new suit. Yeah, big boss. I'm knowing I ain't hearing not a young nigga saying double back twice in a row. 3-3, bitches plays all in my home. First street, tell it all when I make a song. Little my brother day, he make it home. She be all on me like she need me.
It does look like
I don't need you at all. She believe me. She be mad every time when I really ain't know. Got me posted all alone where the slums be. Lot of money on the line, what I'm going for. You don't stick with me that long run, you will see.
Judy with Surtain on him. Great position. And then as soon as Judy turns around, he's reading through the quarterback and comes and makes a play on it.
I know they're friends, but Pat Surtain's got
take off, cause I know these niggas ain't gon' hand that new suit. Yeah, big boss. I'm knowing I ain't hearing not a young nigga saying double back twice in a row. 3-3, bitches plays all in my home. First street, tell it all when I make a song. Let my brother day, he make it home. Swift here. Show her how to get the money up. From the back, got that touching the top. Big ol' pill, tryna get in her heart with no call. Chopping it up for the wrong. Ain't right how you use your tongue. May young nigga, I'm not right now. Check out me when I just went and got another. Millions in the bank, got another million. So 1.3 E's, they ate it up if you can't count. $250,000 chain, $250,000 car. Wow, I know how to get it, poker in my mama's house. $1 million business, I ain't never turning down. Me and Casey in this bitch. Yeah, new coupe. Take off, cause I know these niggas ain't gon' hand that new suit. Big boss, I'm knowing I ain't hearing not a young nigga saying double back twice in a row. 3-3, bitches plays all in my home. First street, tell it all when I make a song. Don't let my brother day, he make it home.
Yeah, Trev, when you watch now, T. Higgins firmly possesses, right foot is down, second foot clear step, and then a third real clear step with the right foot again. Those are the three elements: possession.